Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Quantifiers. So students, today I've taken a brilliant question on geometry, and trust me, in this video you will learn many concepts. So without wasting any time, let us move on to the question. I would request everyone, those who have not tried it, please give this question a try. Okay, so I hope all of you have tried it now. Quickly, let me tell you a couple of concepts. Students, the first concept is in an isosceles triangle. So let's say this side and this side is equal. Now I've taken an isosceles triangle to the unequal side. So obviously this will be the unequal side. Now to the unequal side, student, the line which is median, okay, the line which is median, students, that particular line will also be the altitude and it will also be the angular bisector as well, right? I hope everyone is getting this point. All of you should know about this. एक बार फिर से repeat कर रहा हूं. To the unequal side, students, if you draw a median, student, that median will also be altitude. It will also be the angular bisector, right? And obviously it will be perpendicular bisector. Okay, it has to be the perpendicular bisector as well. Why perpendicular bisector? Because obviously it is perpendicular and it is also passing through the midpoint, so it has to be the perpendicular bisector. Basically ये सिर्फ unequal side पे ही करेगा. Unequal side पे median, altitude, angular bisector, perpendicular bisector, all lines are same. Okay, all of the lines are exactly same. So this was the first concept which all of you should know. Now moving on to the second concept, let me tell you angular bisector theorem. एक angular bisector theorem होती है, वो भी आप सबको पता होनी चाहिए. So angular bisector theorem says, so ABC I have taken triangle, AD is the angular bisector. Okay, AD is the angular bisector. तो थ्योरम क्या कहती है कि जो भी AB और AC का रेशियो होगा, जो भी AB और AC का रेशियो होगा, वही उनके रिस्पेक्टिव बेस का रेशियो होगा. So whatever is the ratio of AB and AC, it will be same as BD and CD. Okay, it will be same as BD and CD. तो जो AB और AC का रेशियो है, वही BD और CD का भी रेशियो होगा. बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात. Now let's say here only I'll take some values to explain you some more things. Let's say it is given that AB is equal to 16. It is given that AC is equal to 12, and it is given that BC is equal to 21. Now I hope all of you can find BD and CD. All of you can easily find BD and CD. देखो AB और AC का क्या रेशियो है? AB और AC का रेशियो है 4:3, राइट? 4:3 का रेशियो है. तो 4:3 के रेशियो में BD और CD भी आ जाएंगे. 4:3 के रेशियो में BD और CD भी होंगे. So obviously BD will be 12 and CD will be 9. Correct? Now let's say if I ask you to find the length of AD, right? Say I ask you to find the length of AD. मान लो मैंने AD की लेंथ को x मान लिया. अब अगर हमें AD की वैल्यू निकालनी है, now there are couple of ways. One way of doing it is you can use cosine rule. Cosine rule क्यों यूज कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर है. Now I can use cos theta in both the triangles, है ना? Cos theta मान लो इस ट्राइंगल का क्या होगा? I hope all of you know the formula of cosine rule. 16 square plus x square. 16 square plus x square minus 12 का square divided by 2 times 16 into x, right? 2 times 16 into x. So I've applied cosine rule in this particular triangle. Now let's look at this other triangle. अगर इस triangle में हम cosine rule apply करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? Cos theta will be equal to 12 square plus x square, है ना? 12 square plus x square minus of 9 square divided by 2 times 12 into x. 2 times 12 into x. अब स्टूडेंट्स हम दोनों को इक्वेट कर देंगे. We can equate both the values, right? If you equate both of them, you will get the value of x. Okay, you will get the value of x. This was one method. Now see, I'll tell you the other method. Direct shortcut, please remember it. Let me erase this 4 and 3. Okay, now see, I have all the 4 values. मेरे को ये वाली वैल्यू पता है 16 है, ये 12 है, ये 12 है और ये 9 है. और मुझे एडी की लेंथ निकालनी है। ओके, मुझे एडी की लेंथ निकालनी। सो जस्ट रिमेंबर एडी स्क्वायर, ओके, एंगल बाइसेक्टर का स्क्वायर, एंगल बाइसेक्टर का स्क्वायर, इट विल बी इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू लाइंस, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 16 and 12, okay, product of 16 and 12 students minus the product of bases, that is 12 into 9। बस स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम इसको अप्लाई करेंगे डायरेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा, AD square will be equal to, you can take 12 common from both, so finally if you take 12 common you will get 12 into 7। AD की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएगी, 2 square root of 21, 2 square root of 21। Now you can see this method is very fast, very quick, so better you remember this formula, right? Or you could have done it by this method, but very calculative and very time consuming. So these are the concepts which I'll be using in this particular question. Now let us move on to the question. So I've taken a triangle ABC. Now students, I'm not drawing it to scale, obviously, right? Now it is given that perpendicular bisector of BC and AC, they meet at a certain point D. तो अब देखो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर हमें BC का बनाना पड़ेगा जो AC को मीट करेगा। So I hope all of you know what is perpendicular bisector. That means a line which should be perpendicular to BC, and should also pass through midpoint of BC, right? Should also pass through midpoint of BC. So this is, let's say, perpendicular bisector. तो ये perpendicular भी होगी line. This particular line will be perpendicular to BC, and obviously this has to be the midpoint. I hope ये basic आप सबको पता है. So this part will be equal to this part. So I'll take this point to be E, and obviously this point is given D. ठीक है, अब आगे इन्होंने हमसे कहा है कि BD bisects angle ABC. BD bisects angle ABC. Now students, if BD bisects angle ABC, so that means ये एंगल बाइसेक्टर हो गया। अब एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम तो अभी हम लोगों ने सीखी है ना? AD 9 है, AD is 9 and CD is 7. Okay, AD is 9, CD is 7. So using angle bisector theorem, right? Using angle bisector theorem क्या कहती है? जो BC और AB का रेशियो होगा, जो BC और AB का रेशियो होगा, right? It will be same as CD and AD, है ना? मैं डायग्राम के थ्रू बता देता हूं। जो इसका और इसका रेशियो होगा स्टूडेंट्स, वही इसका और इसका रेशियो होगा। ठीक है, सो वट एवर इज द रेशियो ऑफ BC and AB, it is same as CD and AD। तो हमें पता ही है BC और AB की वैल्यू CD और AD के रेशियो के बराबर है, और CD की वैल्यू कितनी है? 7 है, और AD की वैल्यू कितनी है? 9 है। तो बेसिकली ये रेशियो है 7:9, रेशियो इज 7:9। सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम टेकिंग BC as 7x, okay, I am taking BC as 7x, and obviously AB will be 9x, AB will be 9x। so I don't think anyone should have any doubt till here. Now students, comes the most important point. See, ultimately you need to find area of ABD, right? You need to find area of this particular triangle. Now just see here students, in triangle BCD, focus on the triangle BCD. Let me make a different diagram for it. Focus on the triangle BCD. You can see there is a line which is a median, and this particular line which is median, it is also perpendicular. So from here what can we say? From here we can definitely say that it is an isosceles triangle, right? It is an isosceles triangle, क्योंकि isosceles triangle के केस में ही ऐसा होता है कि जो मीडियन होगा वही परपेंडिकुलर होगा, right? So कहने से it is an isosceles triangle, so BD will be equal to CD. Now students, CD is 7, right? CD is 7, so कहने से BD will also be 7, so students, यहां से हमारे पास BD की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 7। Now students, just now I told you a shortcut how to find length of angle bisector, right? तो अभी मैंने आपको शॉर्टकट क्या बताया था? एंगल बाइसेक्टर का स्क्वायर, एंगल बाइसेक्टर का स्क्वायर, सो दैट मीन्स BD का स्क्वायर, BD का स्क्वायर, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to 9x into 7x, 9x into 7x minus the product of their bases, minus the product of their bases. So let me erase this. So students, now this will be minus 9 into 7. करेक्ट. और BD की वैल्यू हम निकाल चुके हैं. BD which is angular bisector, उसकी लेंथ हम निकाल चुके हैं. It has to be 7. So students, now if I put 7 here, I'll get 49 is equal to 63 times x square minus 63. So we'll get 63 times x square is equal to 112. X square will be equal to 112 by 63. दोनों 7 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, दोनों 7 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. 16 by 9 आ जाएगा. x की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? 4 by 3 आ जाएगी. Now students, if x is equal to 4 by 3 and we need to find area of this triangle, हम 9x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. ये AB की लेंथ आ जाएगी हमारे पास. AB की लेंथ आ जाएगी हमारे पास 9 into 4 by 3, right? 9 into 4 by 3, which is 12. Now students, you can see we need to find area of this triangle and we have all three length. We have all three sides, 9, 12 and 7. 9, 12 and 7. अब students, अगर triangle की sides है 9, 12, 7, using Heron's formula we can find area. Using Heron's formula we can find area. Area is equal to square root of S. तो semi perimeter हम निकाल सकते हैं. Semi perimeter will be 9 plus 12 plus 7 divided by 2, which comes out to be 14. So students, what will be the area? Area will be S, that is 14 into 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. 14 minus 12 is 2. 14 minus 7 is 7. Right? So you can see 14 and 14 is common. So finally we'll get answer which comes out to be 14 into square root of 5. 14 into square root of 5. So this will be the area of triangle, 14 into square root of 5. It's a brilliant question. You can see how many concepts we have learned from this question, right? I hope you enjoyed it. So if you like the video, students, please do share it with your friends, right? Yeah, thank you everyone.